Invitations are one of the best digital products you can create because they are always in demand, whether for weddings, birthdays, or events. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to create a beautiful invitation card in Canva. You can use this for personal use or even sell it online. Before you start designing, it's always a good idea to look at what styles are trending. Once you know the style you want, open Canva. Go to the search bar and type invitation card. Canva will automatically show you the correct size. Click on it and you'll see thousands of templates, some free and some premium. Choose any template you like because you can change everything inside it. Click on a template to open it. Now simply click on the text and start editing. You can change the name, date, location, and all the details according to your event. You can also change the fonts by selecting the text and choosing a new font from the top menu. Next, you can customize the colors. When you click on any element, the color options appear at the top. You can match the colors with your invitation theme, and if you have brand colors saved, Canva will automatically show them. You can also adjust the spacing, alignment, and size of the text to make the design look cleaner and more professional. Canva also shows alignment lines while you move elements, which helps you keep everything perfectly centered. You can also create extra pages if you want to design an RSVP card or a smaller details card. Just click Add Page, choose a custom size, and design it using the same fonts and colors so everything looks consistent. If you want, you can add design elements like flowers, shapes, or lines from the Elements section. You can keep the design simple and minimal, or make it more decorative depending on your style. You can create your own design by clicking on a new page. Change the color of the page. Now you can add the text on it. Once you are done with the text, you can add some flower elements on your card. Once your design is finished, click Share and download it as a PDF. Now your invitation card is ready to use, print, or even sell as a digital product. And that's it! This is how you can create a beautiful invitation card in Canva in just a few minutes. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more Canva design tutorials. Happy designing!